Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix payment not completed. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you try to purchase app from App Store and showing an error payment not completed, then I'll show you how can you fix it. You have to close this page and you have to do some steps from here. You have to tap on your Apple ID banner, and first step is that you have to sign out your Apple ID from your device, and then you have to turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds and then sign in again and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the phone is there, then open settings again. You have to scroll it down, then tap on screen time, and then you have to scroll it down, tap on contact and provide instructions. Now tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Now tap on in-app purchases and make sure that if it's check on allow. And after that, check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the phone is there, guys, just simply you have to open settings again, tap on your Apple ID banner, then scroll it down, tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account, and then you have to wait some second from here because it's loading, guys. So you have to wait some seconds. Now after that, guys, you will see this type of interface. So you have to scroll it down and then tap on purchase history and make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription here. If you have, just simply paid for them or remove it, and then you have to tap on manage payment option. Here it is, guys. So from here you have to manage your payment method. Make sure that you have given correct information, especially for the CVV code and expiry date of your credit or debit card. So here you have to make sure that you have given correct information and then go back from here. And after that, guys, you have to tap on country origin. Now guys, simply wait for some second from here. Now tap on change country origin. Now select your country in which your debit or credit card is made. So you have to select the same country, guys. I'm selecting this one, so you have to wait some seconds again. And here are the terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully and just simply tap on agree. And if you're agree, just simply tap on agree again and wait some seconds from here, guys. Now here are the payment methods, so you have to select your payment method. I'm selecting at none, and here you have to put your billing address. So you can put fake one as well. So you can put your postcode. If you don't know about the postcode, just simply search on Safari browser or another browser, and here you have to put the city name. Now you can also put phone number fake. Just simply tap on next, and after that, guys, your payment method will be updated and you can easily fix your problem. So this is, guys, for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.